Mayor of Lucy, Sheridan Samuel, says he's been vindicated following an Integrity Commission investigation which cleared him of wrongdoing. Samuels, who has been serving the Hanover Municipal Corporation as chairman and mayor of Lucy since 2016, came under scrutiny from the Integrity Commission amid reports of impropriety in the awarding of contracts at the corporation.
The records that they have perused, and they have found nothing to substantiate any claim of any one of the allegations that was laid against me. I was investigated to the highest level. Every single cent within the accounts that I have to give account for it. And I am clear.
The Integrity Commission swooped down on the Hanover Municipal Corporation in 2020, seizing several documents and electronic devices from councillors and officers. Samuel secured a second term as councillor for the Caldwell Division in the local government elections.
Persons tried to set me up. I am from humble beginnings. I don't use state fund to enrich myself. Everybody know me. I have never changed a level or the street that I walk on. I came here from the people and I walk with the people. I am as poor as them and I will stay this way. I am poor as them because I'm here to serve them.
At this